Hello everyone. Today we are going to look into double axis charts. If you look at this one, so it has two axes, vertical axes, horizontal is the same. This one, this line is basically the line chart is basically corresponding to this one, and all the other bars are corresponding to this one. There is actually a very practical reason for using such charts, and the idea is not just to beautify your data. We actually have a very practical reason. You can also get a hint looking at the difference in values. If you look at these, so the difference between two lines here is only 2, but here it is 200,000. So maybe you got the hint. Let's go to our data and see why we do this and how we do it. Um this data is sales data of 7 different salespeople who are selling 5 different products, uh, and this is their total revenue. So, if I want to make a chart or I want to display this data, the easiest thing would be that I select this. If I don't include revenue, and let's make a 2D column bar. You look at this, you simply get this data. Okay, so that is really easy to do. I am going to delete this. Okay, now what if somebody asks you that I also need revenue over there? So automatically I'm going to add the revenue. Go to insert and select the same chart. Now what is this? You can see it in the legend. The legend shows sofa, chair, and but you cannot see it here. Why? Because these numbers are in hundreds of thousands, and those are only one, two, three, four. So you will never see those numbers. So one thing is that how do I display this? Maybe if I make an axis over here, if I plot revenue on a secondary axis, I'm going to select this point. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to select format data series, and I get the format data series options. Simply I'm going to select secondary axis, and I'm done here. Still it is not something which I want. Obviously the bar doesn't uh, work for me, so I'm gonna change the charge type, which is here. uh, I have table and everything, but I don't want to change any other chart. I'm going to change this to line. Now this will make some sense to you. Now look at this. uh, you have John. uh, these are the number of sofa that he has sold. Then these are the chairs and tables and TV and fridge, and this is the revenue. Now this can give you some insights, really, that if you look at say Sophia, she actually has made a lot of sales, but her revenue is still lower than this guy, and the difference is huge, because if you look at this line, so it's 925,000, and here it's 1,095,000. So the difference is huge, because obviously Ahmad has sold pricey stuff, something which gives you more revenue than what she has been selling. So if you look at this chart, so you can get great insights from it, and now you can compare how your revenue compares with the number of sales that you are making. Uh, if you look at Ali, he has sold a lot of chairs, but as the chair price is only 5,000, so he has not contributed much to the revenue. Sarah has sold very only two sofas, one chair, but she has sold eight refrigerators, so her revenue is actually the highest. So you can actually uh, understand that where you are getting your revenue from, and also who is making the most sales and who is contributing more in terms of revenue and who is contributing more in terms of number of sales. I hope you liked this, and if you did, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.